See you later. There's a rock just balanced right up the top there, look. And if you can see it, I don't know whether that's the rock or knobbler. Could be. It looks like we're back on the GC60 as well. Ooh, caught some scooter boys. Or girls. We'll have them around here. Right guys, I don't know if you can see it around here, but coming to an area where they had the bad fires only a few weeks ago. Everything's looking a bit scorchioed. You can smell it in the air. Keep right, Richard. Cute. And up into the clouds now. Definitely getting chilly. See what the fires have done, eh? Oh dear. Roads are definitely wet up here. Oh, this is fabulous down here. I can remember this run down here. I hope you guys can still see it. Let me give you a little wipey wipe. Just look at that for a view. Hey, look at that. Hopefully as we come down the road we'll get dry out, get me mojo back. Amazing road. Look at it. There's a lorry coming. Where are we going to meet him? I'm going to meet him here, I think. I'll let him come round the corner. Smell his brakes. Tanara! Wow, that was a ride. Didn't say much there, but completely engrossed in the riding. You gotta concentrate. You gotta concentrate. Lost one off the back. Catches up. Certain fact you can only ride at the pace you're comfortable with, and that was plenty quick enough for me, thank you very much. He's back there. See how these houses are built into these caves, you know, right into the mountainside. Absolutely fascinating. Well, that's it. Looks like we're pulling up for a lunch stop. Whew. Ah. What do you reckon to the view, John?
Beautiful, isn't it, mate?
Lovely, isn't it?
Yeah, never been here before, have we?
No, I've not been here before. I'm just saying to Martin, how come in all these years we've been coming, he's never brought us here?
I know. You're catching the fires, all the fire damage.
Yeah, look at
Bad,
it.
isn't it? Did you smell it on the way up?
Yeah, I did smell it. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
How much of the island did you say was on fire?
A quarter of the island was on fire.
Quarter.
Yeah.
Just amazing.
Yeah. Thousands and thousands.
Which is a quarter of the UK on fire.
Well, you can't, can you really?
It's television.
No, we had
Sound
coffee
lot.
as well, didn't we?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We had drinks. We had coffee,
Yours.
2 courses, steak.
It's going to ride back, isn't it? So you've got to go back to
Let's go and get John's bag.
John's bag.
So we'll see you on the other side.
Absolutely. Still spectacular. Going down the valley now, look. Huge drop down to the right there. Oh, we've got some steep stuff coming up now. I think this is what Jose was talking about. Definitely not one to go over that barrier there. First gear stuff. First. Look at this, for a road. Oh, car coming. Mega road. Mega in a spectacular spot. I don't think it's one to be taken at speed anyway. Just look at it. I've run out of descriptive words for this area, but it is stunning. Maybe not beautiful, but rugged and big and just amazing. Not for the faint-hearted, I don't think. It's okay until you meet something. And this, if you're wondering, if you want to look it up on Google Maps, is a GC210. GC210. Thing is, with Google Maps, it doesn't really give you a feel for the elevation. Believe you me, we've come down some twisty, steep roads. Even the GoPro doesn't do the road steepness justice. Oh, it's rough. It's really rough. Let's get first gear, shall we? Really enjoyed this week meeting Jose. It's the first time he's led a group that I've been in. Obviously I've been coming quite a few years, but he's a real asset to Canary Motorcycle Tours. And you have a great day whether it's either with Jose or whether it's behind Martin. Both terrific riders. It's just like, it's like another world, isn't it? Could be on Mars or something. So many people have come to this island and don't know this is here. All it's known for is the beaches. Look at this. Blimey. My ears are popping. Oh. Just going down that much. Changing air pressure. Even down there, look, it's scorched. All that's been on fire. It's hard to believe there's enough vegetation to set on fire. It must have been awful. Yeah, even the little palm trees down there, charred. My favourite road of the day, I think, so far. What do you think? Try and get you a view that's not looking through the screen there. And if you came out here for a few weeks every winter just to hone your riding skills, that's why Ken up front, I mean, you can't half ride, but he's out here for about a month every year. No wonder it's quick. Ooh, I know where we are. This, believe it or not, is called the Ultimate Challenge, and we did do this road, yeah, last year. I'll see if I can put a link up, but I'm not going to say pointing up here. It is steep. Gotta keep rolling, guys. Now this is where I feel for Ken, to be honest with you, because if anybody stops, you've got to put your foot down. If the camber's the wrong way, he has problems. At least I can put a foot down and reach the floor every time. The problem arises when, oh, like you say, you meet a car, and there is a car going up here. Look at that rock hanging above us there. I dare say the GoPro won't be able to give out how steep it is. The problem's going to be is if this car stops or beat another car up here. So bikes, I don't want to pull the clutch in either. Bike's virtually down to tick over in first. I'm going to keep a distance as well in case somebody has to stop in front of us. Look at that for a drop down there. Woohoo! I think it's yeehaw. And I'm not kidding you guys, the views from up the top here are absolutely amazing. won't go either. It's a seriously long drop down there, and that reservoir at the bottom should be full, so even though we're getting a tiny bit of rain today, we've had nowhere near enough rain over here. Thank you. You wait till you see this view at this bit coming up. Stunning. It's my favourite place here, Ken, I think. It is. I think it's one of the most stunning places on the island. When we came here last year, we flew the drone off here.
Well, that's funny you should say that. When I've watched your footage, I didn't realise what a sort of hog's back this is.
It is, isn't it? It's a real sort of ridge, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'll try and put a link up on, or put an excerpt in this video.
Here he is, Valderano 125 rules. Hey, it makes it. Brilliant. Here's the rest of them. Yay! Brilliant. Absolutely. Oh, it's John. It's John. Superb.
I don't know about that, I'm fucking shaky as fuck.
What did you think to it on the way up? Did you enjoy it?
I was shaky as fuck. I know, I whirled. Oh, fuck.
Shaky as fuck.
But I done it.
No, that's...
Fears can be conquered. Good world.
A real good bunch of lads these are. Irish lads. Oh, one of them scared of heights. Wow, this is a mega steep. mega steep, and again no barriers, so let's not go there. I think kudos to all the guys here on the tour, they all made it up. It gets quite steep up here, as I remember. Cat bleeding cat just sat there, doesn't give a monkey's or a cat's. Pedal, you lazy bugger. Sorry. Well, our group appears to have been joined by John Commons of the Vic Bikers Pub. I think we've got animal dung on the road here. Smells like it. If there was smell-o-vision, you'd be getting it right now. If you go round the very top up here on a clear day, you can see Tenerife, but I think sadly today it may be obscured. No, this much I'd rather do these roads on the motorbike than a push bike. I suppose it's a nice rider down. You just wait till you see round here, guys. Look at this. Woohoo! Look at that. Look at that road down. Nice low gear, so I'm not burning Martin's brakes out. Wonderful. View just doesn't get any more crap, does it? Oh, you just can't believe it. It's just massive. At least you can be pretty assured you're going to get some dry riding here. I think it's a bit unseasonal that we're getting a little bit of dampness now, but still warm, still just got my vented jacket and a t-shirt on, so it must be around about 20. I've not got hypothermia, I'm not baking hot, but I've run out of good things to say about riding on this island. You just got to come over and give it a go. You couldn't be in safer hands if you come over with Canary Motorcycle Tours. Everything's sorted for you. Yeah, the bikes, where you go, they look after you. Obviously, if there's people of fairly different abilities, you know, one leader will take maybe the quicker lads, and another one will take the ones that want to go a little bit slower. So they're covering all the bases, and we'll still meet up for a laugh, something to eat. Oh, we're coming into a bit of sun. Fabulous. Fabulous. Look at that blue sky now. I suspect this memory card, of which is the only one I've got with me, and battery, won't last much longer. So I'd just like to say thank you very much for joining me on this day trip with Canary Motorcycle Tours. Really appreciated you joining us, and appreciate you watching. If it is your first time to the channel, appreciate you coming along, and if you like what you see, if you want to give us up, I really appreciate it. And the little bell symbol, a little tick on that, will give you a notification every time I put an upload up. I try to upload weekly, but in honesty, it'll be when I can during the winter. The winter at home is awful at the moment, wet, cold, so we shall see. But if you do fancy getting away from it all, I highly recommend Canary Motorcycle Tours. They've not paid me to be out here. I've paid for my ticket to ride today. I love everything that they do. Great people. 2 English, partner, Joy and Martin, who run it, and they really will look after you if you decide to come and give it a go. So thanks a lot for watching, and I'll catch up with you on the next video. Cheerio, bye bye.